Tired of contract chaos? Let's ditch the paper mountain and build legally sound agreements in DocuSign. Quick and easy. First, log into your DocuSign account and click the New button, which is usually located at the top left of your screen. This is where the magic begins. You have several options, but we're going to streamline things by using a template. Select Use a template. This will save you a ton of time. Now, browse the available templates, or use the search bar to find the one that best fits your needs. I'm selecting Sales Agreement for this example. Click on your chosen template. Great, now you'll see the template with preset fields. Simply click into each field, like beer name, address, or price, and fill in the necessary information. Next, add your recipient. Usually, it will prompt you to add recipient at the top here. Enter their name and email address, so DocuSign knows where to send the contract. Once you've filled out all the fields and added your recipients, double-check everything for accuracy. When you're confident it's perfect, hit that Send button. DocuSign takes care of the rest, tracking signatures and ensuring a legally binding agreement.